Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel Arc A750 8GB Limited Edition. So friend, the Arc A750 Limited Edition is Intel's reference design featuring a cut down ACM-G10 GPU, and this desktop graphics card is third best Arc Alchemist model currently offered by Intel, and the company has invested a lot of marketing effort to claim that their GPU is better than competing GPUs such as GeForce RTX 3060 and friend. The A750 launched at $289 in October last year, but the company decided to lower the price to $249 just a few months ago, and this price was waiting for a reality check, and gamers can now find this GPU for $199. This is the first Arc A7 card to drop below $200. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.